Welcome to UltraShip in a flash. In just 60 seconds, let's learn how to add emails to a subscriber list in UltraShip. To begin, navigate to the main menu, scroll down to Marketing, and select Subscriber List. Here, you'll see a list of all the subscriber lists you've created. Click on the unique ID of the list where you want to add emails. Now, there are two ways to add emails to your list. Manually add individual emails. Click on Add Subscriber, and a pop-up window will appear. Here, enter the name and email address, then click Save. Bulk upload emails. If you have multiple emails to add, you can upload them all at once using a CSV file. Click on Upload CSV, select your file, and hit Upload. Once uploaded, all the emails will be added to your list automatically. Once added, you can also edit or delete any existing email by clicking on the three-dot menu next to it. And that's how you can quickly and efficiently add emails to a subscriber list in UltraShip.